lights come up now. Well, starting to anyway. You can see me pretty good. The plan is today is to spend long as we possibly can on the water. As long as that wind doesn't get up too high, which I don't think it will do, then we're all good. It's meant to be definitely no higher than 15. Alright, it's probably been about an hour since I last saw you. Quick update, it is extremely slow. I've had a few hits, that's it. There's not many birds around. Oh. Might have something on. I think we're in the weed though. Oh yeah, came out. Okay, perfect. Gonna fish in real shallow. Keep an eye out for birds. We've got all day, so we've got ages. Oh, jeez. Thing of weed right here, so I'm not surprised we got snagged. But yeah, we've got all day. I'll update you, I guess, a little bit later. Yeah, got some, I don't know if it's a kahawai, what it is. Shit, it's in the rocks and weeds. I have a feeling it's a snapper, but it's fighting weird. It's a little kahawai. Oh, she was thinking one of the live. No way, he swallowed that whole softbait. On the softbait, it's completely swallowed it pretty much. I'm going to try and let him go, but we might have to keep him. Okay, luckily he swam away, which is good because I don't really want to take any fish back. Got him on this, I think it's called Starry Night, something like that. Soft bait from Berkeley. I love this colour. It resembles a bait fish quite nicely. 7-inch on the 5 baro, 1/4 ounce. Let's try and get something like a snapper. Oh, bugger. Something bit me off or something, eh? That's annoying. Well, we still got our trace, which is quite good. Don't know what I'm gonna stick on. I might stick a kingfish lure on and cast that around, see if we can get a kingfish, or yeah. Right, stuck a kingfish lure on, but it's not massive, so it's good. It's a slowly sinking one, which is also pretty good. Now in the distance I've seen a whole bunch of birds. We go down there, hopefully cast a kingfish lure around in the jig, maybe pick up a kingfish, hopefully, maybe, you know, or just some nice snaps. Hopefully we can let them go though. Alright, it's been another, let's see, probably about another hour, even a bit more. Mean conditions, but no fish. I don't know what to do. We ain't giving up. But I'm probably looked on the charts, and yeah, I might hit a couple k's out off the coast towards the reef. Comes up from about, I don't know, 35, maybe 40 to around 15, and there's even a point that comes up to like 5. So yeah, but the conditions are absolutely primo out here. Look at this. You can't complain with conditions like that. Absolute glass. Look at a sea swell rolling in. Probably can't see it. That's all good. I don't think it's meant to get too big today either. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Yeah, so I'll update you hopefully soon with a fish. Okay, we've officially made it to a reef. Did it quite a big paddle to get out here. I'm just going to go a bit more onto the reef, but just on the edge of it for now. We're going to stay here probably trying to fish this for at least 2 hours. And then if we don't get any luck, we'll head into the coast again. It's going to be one heck of a paddle today. Yeah, it's just going to be crazy. This is one of the jigs I'm dropping down. 60 grams. It looks pretty good to me. I will probably drop a soft bait down when we go on the shallow patch of it. But for now, I just need to paddle back up onto it. Okay guys, I was just about to leave and winding my soft bait up. Feels like we've got a nice snapper on here. I'll keep it as well because, well, probably it might be a bit too big. But I want something to eat to cook up on the beach. Oh no, that feels a bit too big, eh? To keep, well, for just me to eat. Now it feels like it's woken up. I don't even know what it is. Might be a, I don't know if it's what it is. This is a pleasant surprise, but might have to keep him and we'll just probably eat him, but it's a shame because kinda wanna let it go. Okay guys, it's a pretty big fish just for one person, but yeah, there's nothing I can really do about it, you know. Again, the fish are just so aggressive at this time of the year, obviously. So they're swallowing the soft bait, which kind of annoying. But I'll try a bit more here as well because I want to see if there's any more fish around. Here we go. Nice snapper. Real nice one. I'm gonna keep this fella. And yeah, I'll weigh him at shore tail. He's probably close to 10 pounds. Stick him in the back and get him on that ice. Right, okay, we're gonna go to a couple more casts in the School of Birds and all that. If no more luck, we're just gonna head into shore. It's about 3.5–4 k paddle back to shore. but that's, I mean, no, not where I launched. That's like just, yeah, back to the coastline, and I'll find a little beach along there, and try and make a fire so I can cook this fish up. Okay, there's fish around. Be on. Little snapper. Oh, it's legal. That thing absolutely soaked me on the green haze flex soft bait. Tail's sort of gone because the leather jacket got it, but look at that, beautiful snapper. I'm gonna release this fella while he's still lively, really fat, and I'm actually gonna stick a different soft bait on and get straight back down there because we may as well. Yo, he's swimming way good. Let's do that right now. Okay, I think we might have hooked the kahawai. I'd be very surprised if it's a snapper because that took it on the surface. Nah, he's a kahawai. Holy smokes! That thing just jumped like 2 meters out the air. Hopefully you guys saw that. And dropped the soft bait, and it was an absolute giant kahawai. One of the biggest kahawai I've ever seen. It might even be the other species. That was absolutely crazy. I think something's picked it up. Oh, this might be a kahawai. Feels like a kahawai. Might be a snapper. Kind of feels like a snapper actually. Yeah, it's a snapper. I can just feel how it's fighting. You know, this whole morning, this is where the fish have been, eh? Fish is on board. Another legal fish. Oh my goodness. Super fat. Definitely legal. If you guys can see that on that lime tiger glow or something like that. It's gonna chuck him back. I think I've got a kahawai on. It's fighting more like a kahawai. Could be a snapper, but actually it kind of feels like a snapper now. I think it's just an alright snapper. Woo! Look at that. Stunning. On the soft bait. Just check them back. Super fat. Nice fish. There's nothing wrong with that one, but he's a good one. Going home. There we go. Now that. from eating snapper. Soft bait's getting nailed, but it's not that bad. I'm just gonna keep fishing with it like this. Another easy legal go home. Okay, we've hooked up. Feels alright. Biting pretty hard. Cool. Okay, gave him away. 18 pounds. Bloody beauty. Not very long, but super fat. Probably one of the fattest snapper I've ever caught. There she like. There we go. It's a good fish. Hopefully you guys got a good angle. I can't really. Ooh. Let's get that soft bait out of his mouth and let him go. Green haze fleck, even when tail's burning off. Fish, love it. Big old fish in the water. Oh yeah, he wanted to go. Let's try and get him. Nah. Okay, let's go get him. Send him down there. He wants to go. You gonna swim down? Well, hopefully he survives. There's nothing I can really do. There's more chance of him living if I let him go than, yeah. So it's a bit blurry, sorry for that. It's a little bit fogged up because it's so hot. But, might take a couple more casts and then probably head back in soon. Oh, I don't know. I'll see. Beautiful fish. Green haze fleck. Did it again. As soon as we got back under those birds. Ew. Okay, we've had a bit of fun fishing out deep around that reef, underneath those birds. Got some pretty nice fish. Now I'm just slowly heading back in 3 k's into the coastline, and we'll do some soft baiting around there in the shallows, maybe pull out a nice big one hopefully, and then pull up to a nice beach, make a fire, and cook that snapper I've got in the back. Go from there on. I think we might have a kahawai on. If it's not a kahawai, it's a good snapper. We've just pulled up to a school of birds. Now it kind of feels like a snapper. And it feels like a good size too. Oh yeah, it feels really good. Jeepers. The fish can't get enough of these gulp soft baits. I have a bad feeling that he swallowed it, but I hope not. And you'll be sitting between, yeah, 12 and 15 between. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, 12 pounds. Pretty short to be fair. Ew, another mean fish. This one's pretty good. 12 pounds, he put up a mean scrap. I honestly thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but I'm still very happy with something like that. Let's get that soft bait out of his mouth and stick him straight back. Oh, is he gonna get down there? Ew! Oh my god. Oh, that's a good fish. No, this is not good at all. No! Oh no! Ugh. That was a good fish. Okay, coming a bit shallower. And what do we find? Fish. There we go. Nice snapper on that, what colour is that? Better oil soft bait, 7-inch. Berkeley gulp soft bait. Really solid fish, probably 4 or 5 pounds. Yeah. Let's get him back in the water because he definitely wants to swim away. Three, 2, 1, go. Yo! Another fish. Nice fish on that soft bait right there. Well, you can see that, but yo! Let's get the soft bait out of his mouth. Send him straight home. He just had like a pilly in his mouth. He's still got more of it in there, you can see it. Nice fish. Ooh. Alrighty, we're approaching the rocks. Look at that, that's beautiful. Give you a little front side view. We made it to shore. Oh, that beautiful. Got the kayak, let's pull it up, pack it up, and then let's get a fire going. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a fire somewhere around here and cook up the fish. First we'll make the fire, then we'll clean up all the fish and let the fire burn down a little bit. And I don't know how we're gonna cook it, but guess we'll find out. So yeah, let's find a nice spot. Somewhere like this spot right here will do. By this rock. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick hole so it doesn't spread everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna look for some that help start the fire. I've got a flint and steel. I've got some like wool in that, so light's pretty good on that. We just need some small sticks that are fairly dry. I'm gonna collect some of those and I'll yeah, let you know. What is that? So I stuck this here, that's so funny. Anyway, yeah, let me get back to looking for stuff. Okay, we've just got our fire starting gear, got the hole down there, some sticks. Now I just need to get a rock to lean the GoPro on, just so I don't have to hold it the whole time. I've got our little fire lighter, that stuff there, just going to stick that in the hole. Got our flint and steel. We need some little sticks to pile on top of it and it should go hopefully. Yeah, let me first try and light it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Now it just needs to catch the wood on fire. Ah. Yeah, boy. Finally. Took me a little while, but hopefully it continues burning. We do have some more gear in there, but it doesn't keep going. But okay, we've just changed the battery. The fire is actually starting to go now. I should get some sticks because it's gonna probably run out of sticks. Okay, here's our fish. Pretty good sized one. It's quite heavy, he's probably about 10 pounds, I'll weigh him up. Well, we'll gut the fish up. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's a female because it's got rod. Okay, let me go clean him in the water. Okay, I've gutted up the fish and cleaned it up. That, just gotta quickly smash the fire down a bit, get some probably big rocks and lay it across them. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is what we've did. I mean, it's not the best, but we're just gonna keep flipping it and it should work out in the end. Let me flip it now just so it doesn't burn. Oh yeah. That should actually cook. The fins are gonna get a little charred, but that's all good. I might get another 2 logs to raise it a bit higher though. That fish is bloody good. I need to chillax while I can because I've got another probably, I don't know, 11 to 12 k's back. One heck of a paddle today. Yeah, pretty much I'm gonna eat the rest of this fish. Well, I won't be able to, I'll probably just eat one side of it, but yeah. Oh, okay, I ate quite a lot of that fish, just chucked the rest out because there's nothing else I could do. Oh, I didn't want to get one that big. Put the fire out and then make the long paddle back. Oh, look at that nice beach. Well, that's the last you'll be seeing that this video because we're heading out now. Wind's picked up a bit, I think. It's fine. But yeah, it's about 10 k's paddling back, so let's get this bad boy on the water. Woo! Okay, it still floats, that's the main thing. Look at that, nice race seat. Oh, if I didn't have a race seat right now, I'd be dead. Let's stick you slightly long. Clip yourself on. Okay, let's get paddling. Oh, it's probably going to be an hour to an hour and a half paddle back, which isn't the best, but it's alright. Oh, okay. Let's go. We need to stick that rudder down. Ugh. Made it to shore. I'll put up above right there how much I paddled. It would have been over 20 k's, 100%. Oh, that wind's actually quite strong now, just as it was getting back in. Yeah, thanks Wave Passion for Kayak. Ugh, that seat, that raised seat is amazing for long days like this on the water. It's also great that hot in the middle for all your gear, and the cooler bag, that helps a lot. Wow, I just stuck a drink bottle on there. We've got frozen drink bottle, still frozen right now. Oh, so yeah, And let's see, how long was it on the water? It was from 5:30. About 13 hours on the water today. It's quite a long day, 13-hour day on the water fishing. Got quite a few fish, 18-pounder. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. It was a very fun, tiring yeah, video for me. So if you did enjoy this video and you want to watch more like this, yeah, just subscribe. It really helps us keep going. And yeah.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.